Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Firstly, introduce myself. My name is Yulia Andrawati. Today, I will discuss about Chapter 8, that is crowdsourcing opportunities and challenge. So, this is the topic what we will discuss today. First topic is what have been learned based on experience with the topic. So, from what have been learned, crowdsourcing is a model work supported by the development of digital technology. This development can be used by organizations or communities to improve the skill and time of the workforce more flexibility. Crowdsourcing can drive change in workforce dynamic because it allows an organization to complete existing tasks more quickly without the need to hire employees on a permanent basis. However, behind the benefit obtained, there are several challenges that must be faced by crowdsourcing users. Digital workers lack legal protections, so there are many labor exploitations options such as less decent payment from organizations or the service users. Next is what can be taken away from these subjects. The main lesson that can be taken away from the importance of using good strategy in management crowdsourcing. Organizations that use the service of digital workers also need to create a fair policy to ensure that the digital platform has a good quality and clarity. In addition, crowdsourcing also provides insight the importance of technology-based innovations in order to compete the day of digital era. Next is what skill acquired from the subjects. Some important skills have been gained were the analytic ability to understand the course sourcing opportunities and challenges from this different perspective, whether the organizations or worker. So here, students also learn how to solve technology-based problem by identifying solutions to solve existing challenge. In addition, students also understand digital work ethics by developing policies and communication to maintain the balance between the organization needs and worker life. Next is, will this skill be used in the future? So in my opinions, of course, yes, because this skill is very relevant to the conditions that will be passed in the future when the adoption of technology in the world of work increases. So this skill also can be used in various world of work contexts such as managing technology-based project, developing new business by utilizing real platforms, or building a digital work ecosystem future. Next is what benefit acquired from the subject. So, in my opinions, this subject have been very significant with me because after studying it, I feel better understand how a technology can provide possibility interactions between organizations and the workforce globally. In addition, I also gain insight studying how people and companies are leveraging crowdsourcing to drive better innovations. The subject also provides a deep awareness of digital ethic challenges such as importance of protecting the right digital workers, platform regulations, and the last is transparency in digital work. Next, what I like from this subject, I think this is the most important things from this subject because the interesting things about the subjects is the introduce of the cross-sourcing of globe to face the global challenge such as lack of access to job opportunities in some remote communications. I also interest to convenience of work where worker can choose the time, the place, the type of work according their preference. Then the next is how can the subject able to improve current knowledge relate to the chosen topic. So the subject have provide a new insight relevant to the digital age, such as how to integrate technology into traditional work models and understand workforce dynamic globally. By understanding the opportunities and challenge in cross-sourcing, I become better prepared to face the change in work pattern that seemingly load to the digital in the future. And the last one is suggestion for improvement from this subject. So, to enhance learning, it is important to include relevant local case studies, such as example that occur to the local scope, so the student can understand the context more deeply and effectively. In addition, adding practical training, such as a module on digital project management, course-sourcing, platform management, and English language training, will be help the students to develop the necessary abilities in digital age. So this is the conclusions we can take from this subject in chapter 8. Thank you for the opportunities today and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.